Hi everyone. In the past classes, I am discussed about the acceleration, velocities, displacement, and distance, and average speed and the velocity. Today, I am discuss about the some the numericals about the average velocity. First question is maybe asking in the medical aspirant for NEET examination. What is the ratio of the velocity to speed and what is the ratio of the distance and displacement? So first I want to tell you who is greater, distance, who is greater to each other, distance or displacement. uh, distance is all Distance is always greater, yeah, equal to the displacement is never greater than the distance, but displacement is maybe the equal to the distance. Same like, so it means ki distance, if the distance by the displacement is equal to 1, yeah, greater than 1 distance, the ratio of distance and displacement is equal to 1, yeah, greater than 1. Never the ratio of the distance and displacement is less than 1. And same as distance by time means the speed. So distance by time is always the greater, yeah, equal to the distance by displacement by time. It means ki speed is always the greater than the velocity, yeah, equal the velocity. Speed is never the less than the velocity. The speed by velocity, the ratio of speed and velocity is greater than, yeah, equal to 1. So then the velocity by the ratio of velocity and speed is less than 1, yeah, equal to 1. This is the answer of this question. Maybe ask in the NEET examination, the ratio of the speed and what is the ratio of the speed and the velocity, what is the ratio of the velocity and speed, what is the ratio of the distance and displacement. Maybe ask the NEET question. Second question, a body is the move half of length L by 2 as a 10 meter per second and half of the length with the velocity of 20 meter per second. What is the average velocity of the body? So it means the total distance is equal to, already given the 10 meter. So first the v1 is equal to 10 meter per second and v2 is equal to 20 meter per second. We know average speed is equal to total distance but a total time. So t1 is equal to x1 but a v1 and is equal to 5 by 10 and tt is equal to x by 2 and 5 by 20. The first value of t1 is the 0.5 and second time is t2 is equal to 0.25. The total distance is equal to t barabar t1 plus t2, 0.5 plus 0.25 is equal to 0.75. We know the average speed is total distance but a total time. The total distance is already given 10 meter is 10 by 0.75 is equal to the 1.33 value. This is the average speed. Second question, a body is moved with a 10 meter per second till one third of his distance and the remaining distance is traveling with the 45 meter per second. Find the average speed. The total distance is a 60 meter already given. So one third, it means ki let us consider the total length is x is equal to 60 meter and one third x by 3 and remaining distance is 2x by 3. The first x by 3 is moving with the velocity of 10 meter second and second 2x by 3 is moved with the velocity of the with velocity of 45 meter per second. So first I will find out the T1. T1 is equal to T1 is equal to x1 by v1. The x1 is already given the x by 3 and total distance is the 60 meter. It means ki 20 meters and velocity is the 10 meters per second. Then t is equal to 20 by 10 is equal to 2 meter 2 seconds. And v2 the remaining distance 2x by 3. It means ki total distance is x is equal to 45. So remaining distance is equal to 2x by 3. It means 2 into 45, 2 into 60 by 3. तो 2x by 3 is equal to मतलब 40 meters. x2 is equal to 40 meter. Then t2 is equal to 40 by t2 is equal to 40 by 45. क्योंकि next velocity v2 is equal to 45 meter per second and x2 is equal to 40 meters. Then we get the velocity is equal to 20.7.